This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush. Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2 one-box eBay break. September 20th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got JAMMCCOR_0 with the Bears and Chiefs. Pit P Red with the Redskins and Patriots. Batso-SA with the Titans. 3299 Games with the Buccaneers. SCCON_1233 with the Rams 49ers. THELO_7656 with the Seahawks. Larry Trent Larry with the Jets and Eagles. Sherlin Anderso-0 with the Steelers. NBLUHVN John 316 with the Panthers, Colts, Jaguars, Raiders, Saints, Giants, Falcons, Lions, Packers, and Texans. CMM686 with the Vikings. Tyke 10173 with the Dolphins. Transformer 1 fan with the Chargers. Kelmo_2954 with the Bengals, Browns, and Broncos. Carso Struve-0 with the Cowboys. LKPTGT Seller with the Bills. Jonathan-0 with the Ravens. And MESSAL_70 rocking the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got your sealed box here, 2021 Gold Rush Authentic Edition Full-Size Helmet Series 2. These Authentics are really, really nice. Alright, let's go ahead and get her open. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Coming at you front and center. Alright, and we got the Saints. An Eclipse alternate, too. So that is beautiful. I'm actually going to go ahead and take that right out. Absolute beautiful helmet. And there is your auto, and that is Jameis Winston. A beautiful autographed full-size authentic too. Jameis Winston for the Saints. Your Saints owned by NBLUHVN John 316. Congrats. Absolute gorgeous. Jameis Winston. Autograph full-size authentic helmet. Beautiful helmet there. Beauty. There's your auto again right there. Beautiful. The Saints. Okay, congrats to the Saints, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I really do appreciate it. CardboardHobby.com. Doing 1640 on eBay. Once again, I'll be sticking around. We still have another break coming up at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is your 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Football one-box eBay break. We still got a really nice lineup scheduled all week long as well, so please don't miss out on those. And we're back at it again tomorrow night, too. So thank you so much for your support, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.